here with the 76 Pontiac Lemans that I built, and we are switching out the wheels. Actually, the owner switched out the wheels. He put the wheels that the Lemans had on the 59 up there. So those are just some cross-lace Chinas with some Zenith, the knockoffs that it had for the time being. So he put those on the 59. But he had these Daytons, so they're straight lace, 100 spoke. So he had these real 100 spoke straight lace Daytons he bought for another car. So we ended up switching out the tires, and we had some old Remingtons on these. And we ended up putting some new tires, and so I just got done cleaning the white walls, detailing the wheels, putting them back on. And now I'm gonna go ahead, it's been about 5 months since I finished painting this thing, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a coat of wax on it, and tomorrow it's gonna go to a show, so I'll have some more footage tomorrow of this thing at the show. So we're on our way to Gustine to the Linguiça run. Not sure what annual one it is, but anyways, one of the cars that I built and painted is going to be there. So that's the one I took footage of yesterday when I was waxing it. So that's where we're going. My baby's going with me. Say hi, baby.
Hi. Wax on, wax off.
Okay, on camera, pick a number.
Out loud?
Yep.
Okay, 4.
Oh man, how'd that work? That blew it. No. Okay. He did.
I did want to say 3. I wanted to.
I saw it.
Yeah.
I thought I saw that too.
Yeah.
And he did, but no, seriously. 98% of people will pick 3.
Yeah.
You'll be amazed.
I know. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Subscribe to our channel.
I will for sure.
Who are you filming for? Are you?
For myself, but I haven't. My channel's not up and running yet, so I've just been collecting videos.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, I got a car out here somewhere. I don't know that I did a bunch of work on. So
You were gonna say 3.
I almost did. I almost did.
Yeah, it did. You went.
I'm gonna no. All right.
That's cool.
What is it? What is it?
Well, it looks like a Riviera.
It looks like a Riviera, huh? What do you think it is?
Well, they started this model in 73. You guessing me?
Yeah, I am.
Pontiac?
Yeah.
I saw that. Yeah, that's the first thing I was looking at. I thought it was
It's a Le Mans. Everybody thinks it's a Riviera, though, honestly.
yeah, I mean, first look, I didn't
Yeah.
look really close.
Yeah.
And I'd see the under. Nice.
Thank you. I built and painted it. This is the owner right here behind you. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Is it good?
gonna be.